What? Okay, slow down and you watch.
Oh, you keep one foot on the ground.
I can get you for my shoes.
Oh my god.
Where did that even come from?
Yeah, were your glasses broken before? Yeah. Okay, I was like,
Where's my shoe, Nick?
Hey Tom, what's up?
Nothing.
Bean? 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 Bean?
That's my titty.
How's that? Hello?
That's better.